Hi, my name is Jane Brown and I'm the consulting manager on our Intacct team at CompuData. Today I'm going to be doing a brief overview of adjusting journals in Intacct. Intacct actually allows us to create adjusting journals to closed periods for things like audit adjustments. So if I come into my demo environment, let's go ahead and close books through 2023. So now we're closed through 12/31/2023, but even though we're closed, we can come in and create adjusting journals via general ledger all adjusting. So I've actually drafted a journal for us to go ahead and post. We've got our accrued salary journal in a draft state. Let's go ahead and edit this, take a look at it. So it's hitting salaries and accrued salaries for $5,800. And let's post it on 12/31/2023, which we just closed. So the system allows us to post this journal. And if we come into our trial balance and take a look at our trial balance through 12/31/2023, we're actually going to see the impacts of this journal in our adjusting debit, adjusting credit columns. So here's our credit of $5,800 to accrued salaries payable, and here's our debit of $5,800 to salaries. I did not have approvals turned on in my demo environment, but if you did want to turn on approvals for the adjusting journal, similar to any other journal, you could come into General Ledger, Setup, Configuration, and you could scroll down to the Enable Journal Entry Approvals section, check this box, and then add your adjusting journal here along with the approver for your journal.